Hello learners, today let's look at differences between sieving, filtration and separating funnel. These are separating processes or separating techniques that are used in separating different mixtures. So sieving is used to separate components of different sizes. You know, components of different sizes, solid components of different sizes. So what you need is a sieve stirrer and the components you want to separate. The particles that are smaller in size will pass through the sieve, while the larger particles will remain in it. And that is how sieving works. When you shake it, or you stir using your stirrer, the particles that are smaller will pass through the sieve, while those that are bigger will remain in the sieve. Examples of mixtures you can separate using sieving are mixtures of sand and gravel, flour and husk, rice and stones. Alright, so that is how sieving works. Let's talk about filtration. Filtration is used to separate mixtures of liquid and solid. For this, you need a funnel, a retort stand, and a filter paper. When you pour your mixture into the funnel, the solid particles is called the residue are trapped by the filter paper, while the liquid called the filtrate passes through the filter paper. This technique can be used to separate mixtures of sand and water, chalk and water, mud and water, and so on. Simple, right? That's great. Finally, we look at separating funnel, or you can call it separation funnel. This is used to separate liquids of different densities. This is when you can use this technique. So you use it to separate liquids of different densities. So what are the things you need? You will need a retort stand, you need a beaker, and of course, a separating funnel. The denser liquid sinks to the bottom, while the lighter liquid floats on top. So to separate them, you just open the tap at the bottom and let the denser liquid out into a beaker. Once it's done, you close the tap. This technique can be used to separate mixtures of oil and water, kerosene and water, and so on. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye for now.